Champix, the controversial stop-smoking drug, is back. This medication, known for its ability to help people quit smoking, has had a tumultuous journey. Pulled from shelves in 2021 due to safety concerns, it has been reintroduced by the NHS. The recall was a significant event, causing many to question the safety and efficacy of Champix. This decision has sparked debate among medical professionals and the public alike. Some see it as a necessary tool in the fight against smoking, while others are wary of its potential dangers. Many are concerned about the drug's history of severe side effects. These side effects have been well documented and include a range of physical and psychological issues. Some people experience terrifying nightmares and suicidal thoughts while taking it. These psychological side effects have been particularly troubling for many users. Others suffered seizures and heart problems. The physical side effects have also raised alarms, leading to serious health concerns. Is the risk worth taking for a chance to quit smoking? This is the question that many potential users are grappling with. This essay will explore the potential benefits and risks of Champix. We will look at the scientific evidence, personal testimonies, and expert opinions to provide a comprehensive view. We will delve into its troubled past and examine the evidence. Understanding the history of Champix is crucial to making an informed decision about its use. It's crucial to make informed decisions about our health. Consulting with healthcare professionals and doing thorough research can help mitigate risks. We need to understand both the potential rewards and the possible consequences. By weighing the pros and cons, individuals can make choices that best suit their health needs and personal circumstances. For some, Champix has been a life-changing solution, helping them break free from the grip of nicotine addiction. These success stories highlight the potential benefits of the drug. However, the risks cannot be ignored. The severe side effects experienced by some users serve as a cautionary tale. Ultimately, the decision to use Champix should be made with careful consideration and professional guidance. It's a personal choice that requires weighing all available information. Quitting smoking is a challenging journey, and finding the right support and tools is essential. Whether it's Champix or another method, the goal is to achieve a healthier, smoke-free life. With the right approach and support, a smoke-free future is possible. Champix may be one option, but it's important to explore all avenues and make the best choice for your health. Champix, originally known as Chantix in the US, was hailed as a breakthrough in smoking cessation when Pfizer launched it in 2006. It was marketed as a revolutionary aid for those struggling to quit smoking, promising a life free from the grip of nicotine addiction. The drug quickly gained popularity, with advertisements showcasing the potential for a healthier, smoke-free life. It offered a new weapon in the fight against nicotine addiction. Unlike other cessation aids, Champix worked by targeting nicotine receptors in the brain, reducing cravings and withdrawal symptoms. This mechanism of action was seen as a significant advancement over traditional methods like nicotine patches and gum. Smokers and healthcare professionals alike were optimistic. Doctors were hopeful that this new treatment could finally provide their patients with the support they needed to quit smoking for good. Patients, on the other hand, saw Champix as a beacon of hope, a chance to reclaim their health and break free from the chains of addiction. Millions of people around the world turned to Champix to help them quit. The initial results were promising, with many users reporting significant reductions in their smoking habits and some even managing to quit entirely. The success stories began to pour in, further fueling the drug's popularity. However, cracks soon began to appear. Despite the initial enthusiasm, not all experiences with Champix were positive. Some users started to report unexpected side effects that raised concerns among the medical community. Reports of adverse reactions started to surface. These included vivid nightmares, which were so intense that they disrupted sleep and left users feeling exhausted and anxious. Anxiety and depression. The psychological impact of these side effects was significant, with some patients experiencing severe mood swings and emotional distress. Some patients even experienced suicidal thoughts. This alarming development led to increased scrutiny and concern among healthcare providers who began to question the safety of the drug. The drug was also linked to cardiovascular problems and seizures. These serious health risks added to the growing list of concerns, prompting further investigation into the safety profile of Champix. In 2021, the discovery of carcinogenic compounds in Champix led to its global withdrawal. This marked a significant turning point as the once promising drug was now seen as a potential health hazard. The withdrawal left many patients and healthcare providers searching for alternative solutions to smoking cessation, highlighting the ongoing challenges in the fight against nicotine addiction. Champix contains the active ingredient varenicline. Varenicline works by targeting nicotine receptors in the brain. Nicotine, the addictive substance in cigarettes, usually binds to these receptors. This binding triggers the release of dopamine, a feel-good chemical. This dopamine rush is what makes smoking so pleasurable and addictive. Varenicline acts as a partial agonist at these receptors. This means it both stimulates them and blocks them. It partially activates the receptors, reducing cravings and withdrawal symptoms. At the same time, it blocks nicotine from binding, diminishing the pleasurable effects of smoking. The UK's Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, MHRA, plays a crucial role in monitoring drug safety. This agency is responsible for ensuring that the medicines and medical devices used in the UK are safe and effective. Their work is vital in protecting public health and maintaining trust in the healthcare system. They operate the Yellow Card Scheme, a critical tool in their arsenal. This scheme is designed to collect and analyze information on suspected adverse drug reactions. It serves as an early warning system for identifying potential safety issues with medicines and medical devices. This system allows healthcare professionals and the public to report suspected side effects of medicines. By encouraging both professionals and patients to report any adverse reactions, the MHRA can gather a comprehensive set of data. This collaborative effort is essential for the early detection of potential risks. The MHRA uses this data to identify potential safety concerns. Analysts meticulously review the reports, looking for patterns and trends that might indicate a problem. This data-driven approach helps ensure that any emerging risks are quickly identified and addressed. Champix, a medication used to help people stop smoking, has a significant presence in the Yellow Card database. This drug, while effective for many, has been associated with a range of adverse reactions. Over 25,000 reports of suspected adverse drug reactions have been logged. This staggering number highlights the importance of the Yellow Card Scheme in monitoring drug safety. Each report represents a potential risk that needs to be investigated. These reports include a wide range of side effects. From mild to severe, the variety of reactions reported underscores the complexity of drug safety monitoring. Each side effect must be carefully evaluated to determine its significance. Some are relatively minor, such as nausea and headaches. These common side effects, while uncomfortable, are usually not life-threatening. However, they still need to be documented and analyzed to ensure they do not indicate a larger issue. Others are far more serious, including psychotic episodes, heart attacks, and even deaths. These severe reactions require immediate attention and thorough investigation. The MHRA must act swiftly to determine the cause and take appropriate action to protect patients. Section 5. When quitting smoking leads to unforeseen terrors. For some, the decision to quit smoking using Champix turned into a nightmare. John, a 45-year-old accountant, decided to quit after years of smoking. He had tried everything, patches, gum, even hypnosis, but nothing worked. Champix seemed like his last hope. Within days of starting Champix, John's sleep was plagued by vivid, disturbing dreams. He became increasingly anxious and withdrawn. He started having thoughts of harming himself. John's story is not unique. Thousands of people have reported similar experiences. The psychological toll of these side effects can be devastating. Section 6. Separating correlation from causation, a doctor's dilemma. The sheer number of adverse reaction reports linked to Champix is concerning. However, it's important to remember that correlation does not equal causation. Just because a side effect is reported after taking a drug doesn't mean the drug caused it. Many factors could be at play. Some experts argue that the psychological side effects attributed to Champix could be due to nicotine withdrawal itself. They point out that anxiety, depression, and irritability are common withdrawal symptoms. Others suggest that underlying mental health conditions could be exacerbated by the drug. Section 7. A nation of smokers, the NHS's gamble. Smoking remains a significant public health issue in the UK. It's the leading cause of preventable illness and premature death. The NHS spends billions each year treating smoking-related diseases. Finding effective ways to help people quit smoking is crucial. The NHS has defended its decision to reintroduce Champix, now manufactured by Teva UK. They argue that the drug can be a valuable tool for smokers who have struggled to quit using other methods. They emphasize that it should only be used under strict medical supervision. Section 8. Weighing the risks and rewards. A personal decision. The decision of whether or not to use Champix is a personal one. There's no easy answer. The potential benefits, breaking free from nicotine addiction and improving long-term health, are significant. However, the potential risks, severe side effects that can impact mental and physical health, are very real. It's crucial to talk to your doctor. Discuss your medical history, including any mental health conditions. Weigh the potential benefits against the possible risks. Remember, there are other smoking cessation options available. Explore all your options before making a decision.